Welcome to this video about the Public Booking Diary. This is an online public booking diary where you can send a link or have a link on your website for your customers to directly book into your workshop software automatically, really quickly as well. I'm going to show you how all this works. It's so easy, so effective. First of all, under settings, there's the public bookings, and the public bookings allow you to set up all your own booking types. You can put in your own branding, put in your own colors, all sorts of stuff. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump in and show you it from a customer's perspective and show you a customer actually booking in to your workshop. We've sent an email off to Caitlin for her to book in her service or her repair or whatever you might want to send out off to her, and all these wording and that can all be preset in the system. But it says click here to schedule your service. So all you need to do is click here. So this is the customer getting this, right? So the customer's got this email. This actually information up the top here, this will have your logo. These colors can all be set to whatever color you want to set them to, and what you can set up all these appointment types as being your own one. So all the customer does is go, okay, I want a logbook service. I might want to write some notes. I'm going to book it in for Friday, and away I go. So that's literally it. That is literally 5 seconds for that person to go and book into your workshop. How can your customers not love that? And how can you not live without having this functionality inside your workshop? So we'll jump back into workshop software now, and if we go into the dashboard, what you're going to see is there's one booking request pending for approval. So if we click here, what you can see is that Caitlin's booking that she just did is automatically there. I can click here to go and edit it. I can schedule it in. Okay, I'm going to accept it for the 18th of the 1st. We can put in a mechanic if we want to put it onto the booking diary, any notes that might have been there. We can go approve, and then it comes up with an email that I'm going to send off to Caitlin, right? So this says Friday, the workshop garage has accepted your request, right? So that's got booking confirmed. All this word in here, you can set up yourself in the system, right? And that's got all that sort of detail. We go and send that off to the customer. The customer gets notified. They've got all their details and all that sort of stuff, and it says that this booking request has now been confirmed, right? So if we go into the booking diary, what we're actually going to see now is that on the 18th, we're actually going to go and see Caitlin's particular booking. So we jump into the 18th. There's the service. So this part of it's just all normal. This doesn't change from what workshop software has always worked with a booking diary. So you just go and associate it with a mechanic if you want. It's up to you. But that booking has already been done. It's all that simple, and it's so easy and effective. Remember, here's all the setup information. We're going to have another video on how all this works. You can go and choose your own logos, set your own colors, set up all your own appointment types. And here's the actual link as well. We can just simply copy and paste that link into your browser, or you can have it as a link in your actual website if you want. So there you go. That's the actual link. That is your link, your specific link with your specific information. How simple is it?